Overcoming academic challenges requires a combination of self-awareness, effective strategies, and positive mindset. The first step is identifying the specific difficulties, whether it involves time management, comprehension of lessons, low motivation, or personal circumstances. One effective strategy is creating a study plan, organizing tasks, and breaking big assignments into smaller steps. Another important factor is seeking support. Asking help from teachers, classmates, or friends is not a sign of weakness, but a step toward development. Maintaining a healthy body and mind is equally essential. Getting enough sleep, eating properly, and managing stress through breaks or hobbies helps improve concentration and motivation. A positive mindset, believing that challenges can overcome, keeps you resilient even during difficulties times. Overcoming academic challenges is a continuous process of learning, adjusting, and persevering. With discipline, support, and determination, students can rise above obstacles and achieve their goals.